This is a Cosimo wireless Bluetooth speaker. I've had it for about a year. It works pretty well, but it says it's waterproof, but honestly, don't get it wet. So when it did get wet, it worked until the battery died and then it wouldn't charge any longer. So to fix this, you start with prying off this little bottom here. Use your fingernail or a small screwdriver and pry off this rubber bottom. And then loosen up these 4 Phillips head screws, which I've already taken out. There's one more Phillips head screw here that you have to loosen up. Once you get that Phillips head screw out, you want to kind of wiggle this whole thing, this little board, and remove it, which is hard to do with one hand. And then you get to the next step, where you unclip this connector. And you should find that there is a pin broken or missing. You can kind of see in the connector half on the right, there are 2 pins and the third one is missing. And that's why it won't charge any longer. So what I did was pull the white wire out of this side of the connector and I soldered it to the bottom of the circuit board, bypassing this side of the connector where the pin is missing. You can kind of see it there. Let's see if I can, yep, you can see it there. There's no pin there. So I soldered it directly to the bottom of this board. And that fixed it. Here's the speaker fully charged. It took many hours, maybe like 8 hours for it to go from red to green.